Hello everyone, today we have got Miss Ananya White joining us for the alumni experience sharing session. Currently she is an associate at DNY Chambers. So ma'am, I've got three pair of questions for you. First, how did the hustle at Lloyd specifically prepare you for the high pressure environment of corporate or litigation practice?
When I started in Lloyd as a first year, I did not expect that the Moot Court Society would just enthrall me and bring me into it with itself. And I remember this one trick that I always had in mind, that I wanted to do something in each and every semester. I did not want to sit idle. For me, it was like I had to do something to keep myself engaged. So every semester, I was either doing a moot court competition, or I was writing a research paper, or doing an internship. Because I just could not sit idle and I was just so restless with it. So that kind of prepared me to be busy all the time when it comes to being an advocate who is into litigation and doing matters every single day, whether it's research or drafting or filing. I've gotten used to it because I prepped myself in Lloyd because Lloyd pushes you to do your best. And that means that you have expectations from your professors, your director, your moot court society, who expects you to research. Even if it's research, they expect you to do it even at such points of time so that you're so well versed with the law that when you're woken up from midnight sleep, you can answer the questions anyway. So it prepares you so well for the hustle that the transition is so easy. You will not even feel that there was a change in. While there is obviously a change when you become an associate and become an advocate, there's a change, but it prepares you for the hustle because you know how to keep yourself engaged entirely throughout the day.
And what do you think is that one important lesson that mooting has taught you and is also very much applicable in your practicing career?
Preparation. Moot court taught me that your compromise, your moot proposition has to be your holy grail. The laws that you research, the authorities that you look for, you have to apply your 100% of brain to it.
That's true.
And whatever file you have, whether it's the documents that are in there in the compromise, for example, when we were doing SICTA, we had the witness statements. We had to be so well versed with it that when we were actually cross-examining, we could not refer to it. But we were actually had to be on our feet and ask them questions and cross-examine them. And it's a preparation that today as an advocate has taught me that as long as I'm prepared with the file, I know where a cross-examination is, at what paragraph a relief has been granted. I know what is where in the file that I can assist the court. And it's moot court that teaches you that it's preparation that is the best thing that will take you to heights.
Agree. And a piece of advice that you would wish to give to the current students who are in first year?
A piece of advice, there are actually many. I try to find one. It would be to utilize the resources that Lloyd is giving you. Dr. Mohammed Salim sir has been so kind and he's been so generous with the opportunities that he gives to everyone. This college has now developed so much, whether it comes to the Moot Court Society, whether it comes to Lima, and there's so much that they have to offer you. You'd be a fool not to grab them. It's the best thing you can do. It's like you're like a diamond, an uncarved diamond, and Lloyd is giving you an opportunity to carve yourself at each and every moment, each and every semester.
Agree.
If you don't come out like a diamond, you've not used the resources that you're getting. And you should just jump to these resources at this point because they have so much opportunities for you that you really need to pick up and just go to them, ask for those opportunities, because these are the opportunities that will end up bringing out the best of you at the 5th year of college.
I agree with that. Thank you, ma'am, for joining us.
Thank you so much. I wished you all the best. I wished my juniors all the best. And thank you so much.